Are you finding it tough to give up sugar? Are you one of those with a sweet tooth, just like myself? Trust me, I get it. I've been there. I remember I used to have a cup of tea with 3 sugars, and I would generally drink Coca-Cola literally all day. I rarely drank water. And I'm not talking about zero Coke, I'm talking about the normal Coke, original. That's what I drank. But guess what? I have discovered 5 amazing foods that have replaced my sugary snacks, that has replaced sugar at least, as well as Coca-Cola and much more during those days. These tasty foods, they keep me full longer, they make me feel energized, and they're a great source of fat loss because I'm on a weight loss journey. They help with muscle growth and brain health, especially if you're following a keto or carnivore diet, just as I am. I share with you my 5 top foods that has helped me beat these cravings and stay on track. Let's go. Number 1, the king of carnivore steaks, that is ribeye. This steak has a good, perfect fat to protein ratio, and it's a fantastic choice for anyone who is following the keto or carnivore diet. And I share with you its nutritional breakdown right on the screen now. If you can, go for the grass-fed one option to really enjoy all its amazing benefits. You know, I have tasted different types of steaks, but for some reason, I just enjoy ribeye and I go for it. I know it is maybe one of the expensive parts of the steak, or one of the many steaks that are quite expensive but not as bad, because I'm sure there are many more steaks that are much more expensive than that. I'll put the list, if I can remember them, right on the screen here. What I like about ribeye is it does have a lot of key nutrients in it, like your iron, your zinc, your vitamin B, your creatine, which is all good for muscle growth as well as brain health and energy production. This is where I am aiming. I'm aiming for good health. It's also rich in bioavailable proteins to maintain muscle mass, which is crucial for us as we age. Very crucial. It's all about getting old and getting old well, in good health, by God's grace. A study indicates that high protein foods and physical health activities protect against age-related muscle loss and functional decline. So what more could you be asking for? Number 2, sardines, the ultimate superfood for longevity. Why sardine? They're rich in omega-3 acids. They support brain health, heart health, and they can help reduce inflammation. That's when we're aching, our bodies are crying with pain. We don't want that. Young or old, no one wants to be inflamed. It's not a nice experience. I remember then, I never liked sardines. If you want me to eat sardines, we'll get into a big fight. But guess what? Now I understand the benefits of eating sardine, and I have at least 3 to 4 cans a week. It's all about feeding the body with its nutrients, what it needs, rather than what I crave for that might not be beneficial for the body. This is where I am at in my life now. Feed the body with essential nutrients and not with sugar. Sardines is one of the best sources of calcium. Did you know that? As well as vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health, bone strength, especially in women as we age. You most likely will hear me say, especially in women as we age. And I'm sure it's equally relevant to men too. One of the good things about sardine is quite handy. I just have a can or so. You can take it to work, take it here and there. And then it's also low in it's low in mercury. I'm not going to edit this out. A study in the Journal of American College of Cardiology found that omega-3s from fatty acids significantly reduces heart disease risk and improves cognitive function. So please get in your omega-3 however you can. You don't have to eat fish. I'm sure there are other sources. Number 3, eggs. The perfect morning food. Why choose eggs though? Well, I eat at least 3 to 5 eggs almost every day. Eggs are nourishing. Eggs is a better alternative to cereal in the morning. Eggs is a good source of protein and it has its own essential nutrients which could set you up for the day, keep your blood sugar stable, keep you full for longer, where you're not craving food throughout the day. Eggs are rich in choline, which support brain health, brain function, memory, and liver function. Studies have shown that eating eggs for breakfast can lower calorie intake throughout the day. And that will help when it comes to supporting weight loss. I mean, what else could you ask for? Weight loss. Number 4 is cottage cheese, protein powerhouse. Um, Cottage cheese was one of the foods I never thought I would be eating because it doesn't look really attractive. It's lumpy, it looks funny, but it doesn't really look appealing, really. But of late, I have added it to my list of foods, and I actually scramble cottage cheese in my eggs literally every morning. And as you know, if you're on the internet, you most likely would have seen this viral cottage cheese bread. So it's even so useful because you can add it to different recipes, you can add it to your smoothies, and there's a lot that you could do with cottage cheese. So I am learning how to add and to use cottage cheese in different recipes. Now it's high in casein protein, which is a slow digesting protein that can help when it comes to muscle recovery. It's a great source of probiotics that supports gut health as well as digestion. It's also low in carbs, but it's very filling too. It's perfect if you're on a keto or if you're on a carnivore diet. And here is its nutritional breakdown. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests casein, which is found in cottage cheese protein, improves muscle retention and satiety, making it a great nighttime snack. There you have it. You can have it nighttime too, even though I have it mostly in the morning. Number 5, Greek yogurt. I recently discovered Greek yogurt. I never used to have Greek yogurt. I've heard of it, but never thought I could try it. I mean, this is another one that you can add if you enjoy to your staples. It is something you enjoy. It's lovely. It's creamy. It's delicious. I go for the one with fat. The problem now is nowadays fat has been stripped from most of our products when the government, I believe, got into a state of panic and we were made to believe that fat is not good, but there are different types of fats. So fat had been stripped. However, you still can find the options with fats. So I go for the one with fat, full fat, if I can find it. Otherwise, there's 10%, 5% fat ones, which you can go for. Greek yogurt contains CLA, which I love. It can help with fat loss and it can rev up your metabolism. And how cool is that, man? Something you can have in the morning or maybe midday. I really love it. If you haven't tried it, I really recommend adding Greek yogurt to your kind of what you eat really on a daily basis. A study from the British Journal of Nutrition even shows that Greek yogurt can improve gut health and may help weight management. Trust me, once you have a bite, you will love it. I kind of love the creaminess of this yogurt. And then you can also add maybe your protein powder or your collagen powder, anything, you can add it into it. It's lovely. So there you have it. These are the 5 amazing high protein foods that have really helped me stay away from sugar and has kept me full and energized most of the days. I really don't crave anymore and I really don't go for sugar anymore. And I'm quite pleased that I've got to that stage on my journey where I do not feel the need to have sugar or load my body with carbs. So please share with me what is your current replacement for sugar in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know anything else that you would love me to talk about when it comes to food. Thank you. Bye-bye, and God bless you.